Hello guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R, and today I will be talking to you about decluttering and organizing and letting things go. I have done a video about this before, and being careful about doing it has really paid off. I dress better now. I do my makeup better. I see everything that I have. I don't feel boggled down under a lot of things. And I actually shop in my own closet. A lot of times when you have a lot of things in your home, you will re-buy a lot of things because you didn't know you had them. I have cleaned out a lot of stuff. I made me 3 sections. I put out 3 boxes. 1 is throw away. 1 is donate. And 1 is maybe. Of course, the one that you fill up for throwaway, you're just going to throw that away. The second one that you're going to donate, okay, make up your mind that this is what you want to do, and then just hurry up and go donate it so you can't change your mind. Because I have done that before where I put stuff in a donation box and I went through it again and took basically 85% of that stuff out. So just take it out to the car. Don't look through it again. Donate it. The things that you're not wearing and the things that you're not sure about, put them in a box, put them away out of your sight, and forget about it. If you're not needing those things or you're not looking for those particular items, let's say in 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, next time you run across that box, just take it and donate it. Be mindful of how you declutter. And once you do it, don't go filling that space back up with stuff. Now, I'm taking my time with doing it, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. I buy what I need. My makeup, I know exactly what makeup worked for me now. I love BB cream. Watch. I love BB cream, guys. But, come on. Come on. Really? Really? And, but when all of that is gone, I probably won't buy it again. I probably won't. But I don't have to go buy makeup for a while, which is a good thing. Organizing has become a snap. I am going to use everything I have, and I am only going to buy things that I need after I use everything I have. I love doing facials and, having spa days at home, but I didn't need all of these facial masks that I have. Do I really need all of these? Do I really need them all like right now? Do I really need all of these masks right now? No, I don't. But guess what? I got them in my bathroom where I can see them, and I am going to use them. Like I said, a lot of my workout clothes, I don't work out like that anymore, especially since we're in quarantine. I'm not working out like that. And even before we were in quarantine, I wasn't working out like that. But I got all these workout outfits. I am going to learn to stop picking up stuff, buying it because it's on sale. Guys, I woke up smiling because I am really doing a good job. And I don't ever want to put myself through that again. I am going to continue to downsize. I am going to continue to wear the shoes that I have, and I'm not going to go out and buy any more. But guys, I'm telling you, I have more room in my kitchen. I have more room in my bathroom. I have more room in my dressing room. I see everything that I have, and I love everything that I have. If I pick it up and I don't have a good feeling, then it has to go. I am the type of person that can find a sale anywhere. And no matter what, I'm always be that person. But that don't mean I have to keep buying this stuff because I found a sale. So guys, once you do this, once you become a minimalist, or let's just say once you be truthful with yourself and declutter and really look at the stuff that you have, and if it's giving you a problem, get rid of it. Just at your own pace. I'm just telling you, for me, once I started and I seen how things were going, I didn't want to stop. Now, there's some more things that I haven't worn that I'm really thinking about giving away, that I haven't worn in a while. Guys, I have these boots, and I forgot that they were in there. I have a red pair, this black pair, and a white pair. And I'm glad that I see the boots because I really went to look for me some boots to wear with a skirt that I have. I would have went and bought me some boots to go with that skirt, and these are the type of boots I was looking for. I didn't know I had them. So you have to really be careful about what you have, what you want to give away. I can tell you this process is not going to be easy, guys. But I can also tell you when you do it, it will become addictive, and you are going to go through every room. Oh, I went through every room, and as I cleaned the rooms and decluttered the rooms and seeing how much space I had and just was surrounded by everything that I liked, I get dressed faster. My areas stay clean. If I do my makeup, before when me and my husband would go out, I would do my makeup, find my clothes that I was going to wear or whatever, couldn't find something to wear out of all them clothes I had and have. It'd be so tore up. I would tear this room up and still wouldn't look the way I wanted to look. And then when I come home and see the mess that I made, I'm like, man, I hated it. I hated it. Now, guys, I sit and I'll do my makeup. I put everything right back. As soon as I do my makeup, I can look in my closet, see what I have, find the outfit, bam, there you go. I find a lot of things on sale. I do. But now, just saying it out of my mouth to you guys, all because I see it on sale, I am not going to be buying it like that anymore. If I don't need it, I'm not going to buy it, because I'm always finding things on sale. I'll give you an example. Guys, I was out and I found these shoes on sale. I was almost out the store and I seen these shoes on sale. Can you see how much they are? Yep, $9. They were $9, and then the girl gave me $2 off, so they were $7. And I bought them. You know, they're some little cute sandals. I bought them. And the reason why I bought them is because I have this outfit. So, I don't really even care for the outfit. It's a short Gucci suit. You know, skirt and top. I don't care for the outfit, but I saw it. Saw the shoes, so I been had the outfit, but I saw the shoes, so I bought the shoes. I may end up giving that to a little teenager or somebody. Guys, this is the outfit, and these are the sandals. But that's what I'm saying. When you decide you're going to give something away, try it on. See how it makes you feel. Because before I tried this outfit on, I felt nothing. I just said that. But since I was changing clothes anyway, I decided to try it on. I decided to try the outfit on, and I like it. One of the ways that I solved not buying everything that I see on sale, if you're like that, if you buy a lot of things that you see on sale, whether you need it or not, one of the things you can ask yourself that will stop you from doing that has worked for me. If it wasn't on sale, would you buy it? If it wasn't on sale, would you buy it? Hell no. No. So that's what I'm looking at. Like, if that wasn't on sale, no, I would not have bought that. No. This purse. I don't even want this purse anymore. I don't want this purse anymore. See, stuff like this that I just showed you will go in the maybe box. That purse was in the maybe box. And guess what? I went and took it right on out. Man. So I put the hats in there, I'm putting the belts in there, I'm putting, the purses in there, and I'm done. So this is not going to be an easy process, guys, but it's a process worth doing. You're going to feel really, really good, when you do it. Anything that you're not really sure about, put it in your maybe box and put it away, and just go on with life. The things that you are going to donate, go ahead, put it in the donation box. Go ahead and put it in the donation box, the things that you're going to donate, and take it to Salvation Army, the women's shelter, the homeless shelter. I'm telling you, you better get it out your sight, or you're going to go right back in there. So guys, this is Topping Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And also, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.